So for this math project, you want to turn in your video via YouTube eventually. And before you do that, I'm also going to show you how to add the seconds to the video. So when your video is ready, except for the seconds part, hit upload, or you can send it from iMovie or from whatever you're using as an editor. But then once you're here, go over to My Channel, and then go to Video Manager to see the list of videos. Yours is probably the top one up there. Hit Edit. In this view, you can add annotations. So if I click Annotations, you can see down below here that on my video I've already added a bit. What I added so far is 1 second for each, 1 annotation for each second. So these are going along. First, it helps me to extend this, kind of stretch out this timeline at the end. And then now you can see that my 0 seconds up to 1 second annotation is there. My 1 second to 2 second annotation is there, and so on. Right? You can see it down in the corner. So here's how I added it. When I'm looking at the video, I say Add Annotation, and I'm going to add a note. These other ones show up in different spots and they're bigger, and sometimes you have to scroll over them. Note is what we want for this one. And I'm just putting in here, my next one is 6 seconds. So I just type that in there. I don't need to do anything, although you could change the font size and color and all that kind of stuff. But I need to go down here and adjust exactly when this is going to show up. I want this to show up from the 5 second mark to, or excuse me, from the 6 second mark to the 7 second mark, right? So this is from, I can see right here, 6 seconds to 7 seconds. You could adjust it here, or you can adjust it manually with this draggy scrolly thing. Okay, so now it's here, but when I put that annotation on, when it's clicked, notice that it is, where is it? It should be up here somewhere. Where did it go? Is it down there? No. I see. I don't see it because I need to drag this over. So at 6 seconds, it's over here. Each one appears up in this corner at first. So you could put it there, but I've been dragging them down here because in my video there's darkness, or a darker kind of shade down here, so a white number shows up better. If you had a really light video, like I could put this up here if I wanted to, and use maybe like a black font, and then the 6 will show up well here. You can put a shading in the background of the thing to make it show up better as well, if you want to put some shading in the back of the box. So that's all up to you. Whatever you think is going to show up best on the video. I want mine, I think I had this. Anyway, and I'm going to go back to white. So decide what's going to show up, what's going to look best, and I'm just dragging them down into the corner. So you can see what's happening as I run the video. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. So I started, I think this makes sense, with 0 from 0 to 1, and then 1 from 1 to 2, and so on. So you want to do that. So you can keep adding them here. I'll do one more just to demonstrate it once again. Add annotation, note, put in, what's my next one? 7 seconds. Down here, I can adjust it exactly from 7 to 8. Okay, I'll just click. And that's in place. I'm going to just drag it down so that they're all in the same spot, so it doesn't look like it's jerking around as you watch the video. And I hit Save, Apply Changes. And now, if I'm out here and I go to my list of videos, my channel, I go to Videos, I go and watch this one. The seconds are down there. This one, actually, maybe that bottom corner isn't the best placement because it's under the control bar down here. If I go full screen, whoops, go back to the video, you can definitely see that it's down there. All right, so maybe put it in another corner so it's more prominent as you in your recording for your project, and that should do the second thing for you.